Oh, it'd be fine. Look at that. That'll go. Just needs a little bit of work. Fun. Free car. What a treat. I can't believe it. All the stuff that's out here is just insane. So, as you might imagine, I'm very happy. Alright, I'll show you some more, like where I've been putting building materials, where the water tank is. Alright, here we are. So, water tank. Got a whole bunch of pavers here. Be great when I start making a little patio. Got another caravan. Looks like someone used to live here. Maybe rent just a part of the property. Old lean-to. Lots of glass and stuff. Oh. It's not in too bad condition. Let's have a look inside. Oh, really? Oh. Ooh. Huh. An old computer. Stereo, boombox. All sorts of stuff. I don't know how strong this is. There's random stuff in here. Anyway, it'd be a good little, build a little temporary structure around it. Nice. Anyway, thanks everyone for giving me all the suggestions, especially to do with the driveway. You're right about that. I did get some rain here, and it washed away all the sand that I bought to put on there. So you're right, that was a waste of money buying that sand. But oh well, I'll just buy more. Little tractor, four-wheeler, some netting and stuff, insulation. Yeah. So that's here. The hill keeps going up there. The property stops just near the top of the hill, which is up the top there, and then goes across that way. I'll show you another time, but goes across there a fair bit further. So let's stick it down here. Look how nice it is. Look at this tree. I like that tree. Oh, it's starting to get hot. There's two things that I want to do next. Those two kind of projects. Is clear these trees so that then I can access this and clear this and turn this into something, maybe more chickens, maybe, I don't know, but it's not doing anything right now. It needs to go. So probably leave those bigger trees there, but definitely get rid of all these smaller ones and the undergrowth around here, because it's just nothing. I think this is an old pigsty. Anyway. More guinea fowl. These birds are hilarious. Got the roof on the shed, so that's good. That was minor. Literally just finding the right bit of tin was the biggest problem. It's not perfect, but it doesn't have to be. Just don't worry about it. Well, it's been pretty windy. I had 2 branches fall down, I think from up there. So that was last night. Gonna have to get rid of that. But this is the one I want to do today. Clear this out. Shouldn't be too much work. You guys, if you watched my last video, would have seen it. But pretty much just get rid of all this front structure. I'm thinking about even just leaving the other bed, making a nice undercover area to sit, but need to get rid of kind of all this other stuff from around it. Not sure if there's anything useful in there. That's what I'm going to tackle today. So this is what I've mainly been doing. Got lemon tree. It's just starting to sprout. You can see those new shoots, the red ones. Then got potatoes. They're going really good. They're going really, really good. This one got eaten. Haven't fully just demolished it. Then cherry tree. Some beans. Got some corn growing. Then got blood orange and tomato, some lettuce. There's some more beans. Got some zucchinis growing over here. Tomato. More fruit trees. And then some more tomatoes. Another orange tree. And then spinach. Just starting to pop up down here. How good is that? But the damn wombats, mate. So got to fence off, finish doing the fencing around here. So fence all the way around. Started doing it just around this bit. And that's kept most of them out. It's an old creek. But yeah, the garden is going. Thanks for the advice. That was a good first thing to do. I'm going to have trimmed back this rose bush and cleaned up around here, around the house. Store all these building materials. Maybe turn that into a little woodshed. But yeah. Last one for updates. So this is a driveway build that I did, or with some help. But yeah, you guys said that the sand's gonna wash away, and the sand kind of washed away. So gonna have to put like a I don't know what it's called, someone commented it, but like a hump, maybe halfway down, for the water to run off and also the sand to build up. So I'll just show you what it's looking like at the moment. So the first bit, obviously from the top, it's all kind of washed away. You can see all the tracks of water and stuff. A little bit's held up here. But yeah, I just need to make like a bit of a hump Um, because yeah, down here there's heaps of sand, obviously, where it gets flatter. So there is still sand here, but yeah, most of it has washed away. So probably going to have to buy some, whatever. Yeah, there you have it. There's all the stuff I've been doing, and now the majority of that's done. Now it's this. This would be a nice little spot to sit. Like, I can imagine myself sitting here. Wah, wah, woo. But first I need to get rid of everything that is like pretty badly built. Anyway, I'm gonna start doing that now.